Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to change your username in Monopoly Go. Whether you want to personalize your profile or just want a fresh start with a new name, this guide will guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. Open the Monopoly Go app on your smart device and check if you are logged in. By opening the Monopoly Go application on the home page in the upper right corner, look for 3 lines and click on them. Then, in the drop-down menu at the very top, click on your profile picture. A new page will open where you can notice below the thumbnail your current name, and you can also see that there is a pencil next to the name. Click on it. By clicking on the option, the application will open a new page where you will enter the new name of your profile. Of course, you can know that you have the right to change it 3 times, which means that the application allows you to change your name only 3 times. After entering the new name in the empty field, click on the Submit option. Once you save your new username, it should update immediately in-game. And that is that. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your username in Monopoly Go. Now you can personalize your profile with a name that truly represents you. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more game tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.